Welcome to Kitchen Counter Talks, where every counter tells a story. So today's story is I did a bunch of canning yesterday, so I used the leftover sauce, tomato sauce, to make my rice in there in the oven that I like to do, and then I'm going to use that ground up beef, well not beef but pork, and make stuffed peppers or layered stuffed cabbage. So that's what I'm doing. We have some milk in here that's currently culturing that we're going to go ahead and put the rennet in to make cheddar cheese. I made some roasted eggplant soup. Gosh, does it look ugly. You can't get any pretty with soup pretty much, but it tasted really good. And then over here in the oven, we have some sourdough honey butter rolls that are rising. And then we always have dishes, always, always. And we have stuff on the counter, and I have some pizza dough that is fermenting. I have in here, I have some more sourdough that's fermenting for croissants that I'm excited about. I am making my own buttermilk culture, and then let's see, I think this one is that's a 𝗞𝗶𝘁𝗰𝗵𝗲 culture that I'm working on. We have an eggplant that I'm letting just keep getting super ripe so that I can go ahead and seed save from. I've got my sourdough, I've got veggies all over the place, and I decided to go ahead and cut up potatoes for tonight's chicken that we're going to roast, and then I'm going to have mashed potatoes too. There's the messy peelings that will go out to the pigs. And then we've got more stuff over here that's just lined up to take care of. So that's my kitchen counter. What's on your kitchen counter today?